The sky prepares to rest in hues of gold, as birds fly home, their daily tales all told. I stand alone beneath this vast expanse, lost in the ghost of our sweet shared romance. The final rays are fading from the sight, to leave me stranded in the lonely night. Just like your love, you drifted far from me, leaving but scars and a bitter memory. A biting wind, it chills me to the bone. I gaze out west, where once your glory shone. I seek the light that brought a smile to me, but now it's only shadows that I see. Oh, Soria, my sun, my only light, why did you rise, then vanish from my sight? You've left me here in darkness and despair, with no one left, no guiding light to share. Soria, I'm waiting for you still.